Hey guys, welcome back to another Moondog trading video. Tonight's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Matic, Dot, and we're going to do it in that order. Um, and guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion, educational purposes only. We just got a daily close 4 minutes ago. So let's see if we get a pullback and maybe a bounce. Let's see, where would be a good bounce area? I got too many lines here. I'm going to have to clean this chart up. Um, hmm, I can't see if this is an area I would look for. Maybe down here at 48 200 area. Let's see if we come down, get a bounce, and then go higher. That could be a possibility for a little retracement. It likes to do this, coming off. But this is a beautiful daily candle, guys. But we did get one here, and we kind of went down. We got the big one here, and we came down. But this is a nice candle. So let's see if we get more to the upside here. Ethereum, guys, it is hitting my target that I posted it on Twitter earlier for some of you guys. Here's the post. Purple box is a nice level for a possible pullback. And guys, I mean, that's exactly, I mean, we're getting it, right? We hit the box and guys, I can't even make this up, guys. The high so far today was $3,838 on Ethereum, guys. Look at my chart. My blue line says 3,000 or $3,838. Guys, this is what, look, I'm going to click on my trading view. $3,838. Guys, to the dollar. Look when I posted it. Absolutely incredible. We are getting a pullback. Let's see if we get a bounce off this 3760 and then go higher, though. That is a possibility. So this is not done yet by no means. But it's crazy how, I mean, guys, to the dollar. I mean, look, I told you guys I can't make it up. I'm making these calls to the dollar for you guys on Ethereum. It's absolutely incredible. Now let's see if we get a bounce here and then go higher. But I do love this candle. So let's see how this plays out. So far, my high is my high. In this purple box, I was looking for a retracement. Um, but yeah, so far, let's see what happens. Like I said, we could come down, bounce back, and get above my uh, $3,838 area. So that is still a possibility to go higher. I just think that's funny how we got the rejection there so far. That's the high. Um, okay. Bitcoin. Wow. Oh, look at this, guys. Boom. We got the bounce I was just talking about. Unbelievable. 48,600 area to 48,200 area. Let's see if this area holds. If this area doesn't hold, let's see if this 48,200 area holds. So for maybe more upside. Same thing with Ethereum. Okay, this is the daily just closing. Now let's look at Cardano. Cardano, we got the W here. Okay, we had our W pattern here, guys. And unfortunately, like I said, we want a 4 hour or a daily candle close to close above this $2.88 mark to really get our target back up into this $3. So far, we had a wick. Now we had the daily close, and now we're kind of coming down, testing a spot that I was looking to test, which we are currently getting a bounce there. We're still waiting on this W pattern to form. Now, this candle could go up. We could get a 4 hour candle close, and maybe we can go higher in this move. That is something that I'm looking at for Cardano. So let's keep an eye on that. Let's look at Matic next. Matic. Let's look at Matic next. Uh, Matic, guys, we still haven't met our target here and coming off this W. This W has been confirmed. Um, and I'm still standing by. We should meet this target around $1.53. So that's basically what I'm looking at for Matic. We should meet this target. Let's see. Bitcoin, oh man, it's getting the bounce exactly off my line, my 48,600 mark. Let's see if this creates a new high. That'll be very, very bullish if we can get higher up in this move. Um, Same thing with Ethereum. I don't mean to go back to that, guys, but Ethereum and Bitcoin run the market. So we definitely want those to be positive. Let's see here. Cardano, we're just waiting for the W. Matic, we have the W. We're just waiting for our target to be hit. Dot, guys, come on. Did they front run us here or what? We got up to 34.25, and I said my target was 35. We were really, really close. They might have front run us and started getting scared and selling. Um, that could have been a possibility, or we could still get up there and touch that 35. Let's see. We are getting a bounce right where we should get a bounce off this previous high right here. So let's see if we bounce and go higher, just like our other charts here. Let's see if that happens. On dot, this is dot. This is on the daily. We came very, very close. But guys, if you would have caught this move earlier in the video that I did, we started the video. We were right around $30. So you could have potentially made a 13, almost a 14%, actually, yeah, 14% move, guys. So you would have made a 14% move, okay, if you would have just watched my video earlier and just took some profits. Guys, you go up 10%, 5%, take profits and move your stop loss, sell half and take your profits and move your stop loss to your buying price, okay? I always tell you guys, look, this is money management, okay? You sell a little bit, move your stop loss up, let it ride. You already made money. You're good to go. I mean, what more do you want, right? And guys, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I say is just my opinion. This is just educational purposes only. But, in my old videos, I used to talk about money management. I haven't done it in a while, but those are things that I like to do in these type of trades where I like to, once I get up 5%, I take a little bit off the board, and then I get up 10%, take a little bit more. Then I just move my, stop or my stop loss to my buy-in. I just let the rest ride, and then it's stress free after that. So if you guys would have caught this 14% trade, you guys should have made money. I mean, even if you sell now, I mean, you guys are still making what? And I'm not saying sell now. I still think we can get up to 35, but I'm just saying, even if you were like, you know what, I need the money. You need the money. The video was right around this area, so you'd still walk away with almost eight and a quarter, 8.25%. So I mean, you guys did good. I still think we can go higher, but this was a front-running move. You could see they knew it was going to 35. So right before some people were taking profits, which hey, that happens. So that's dot. We went over Matic, right? We went over Cardano. We looked at my Twitter. What was on my Twitter? What else did I post? Did I post anything else? Let's see. Did I post anything else? Oh yeah, look. 9% so far. Not bad, guys. I did post that on dot. That was kind of like a warning, like, hey guys, take a little bit off the board maybe and just move your stop loss up. Or you can wait for the 35, but it's always you always rather be safe than sorry, right? So make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. This is an update. We are getting this bounce here. I do want to see a new high though, which we haven't got yet. Because if we don't see this new high, then we could see a bigger pullback down to these areas here on my chart. But look, guys, like I said, in my videos, and I don't know if some people, because I read some comments and I was like, what? I don't understand. Some people were saying, oh, I don't understand. We got rejected. We're going back to 44. Guys, look at my area down here. Look at my target. Let me just scoot this over and put my target right here. Look, guys, what does this say? 44 to 42,000, right? I told you guys if 46,000 does not hold, I've been telling you guys this almost in every video. If we get a daily or even a 4-hour candle close under 46,000 or 45,800 area, that's when I would start looking for these targets. So make sure you guys watch my video because I'm getting comments and I feel like people are not even watching my videos. It's like, come on, guys. I mean, I talk about this in my videos, like, hey, if you watched not today's video, but yesterday's video, when we were down and everybody was panicking, I said, guys, I'm bullish until I'm not. I'm bullish until we break under this $46,000 area. Then I would look for these lower targets. Until then, this is upside to me, guys. I mean, what am I missing? Look at this. I mean, and we're trading sideways and up. This is just consolidation to me. This is not like panic zone to me in Bitcoin. Okay. Um, Now let's see what happens with Ethereum. I love going through this. We're just kind of just hanging in there, guys. This is going to move pretty violent. Look at this though. Look at our Matic is going up. Everything is going down. Matic's saying, "Hey guys, we haven't hit our target yet." That's what Matic's saying. You know, Dot. Let's see if Dot turns around and does the same thing. Guys, listen. We're doing this, and this is great. And if we do hit the top of this target, and that was the high, I mean, I still think in my video I told you this could be a place where, where we come up and we get rejected, we go sideways a little bit. Actually, I didn't have this marked out for my video yet. I marked it off on my chart and then posted it on Twitter for you guys, which I should have done earlier, but in my chart. But I wanted to see where we reacted here. And then once I realized we could go higher, that's when I made this, this for you guys. But that's why it's very important to follow me on Twitter, because I do updates, because sometimes I just can't get the videos out fast enough. So you guys can, maybe make your decision right here, on if you're going to sell it or not. So that is something, where, hey, I can maybe take a little profit, buy back in a little cheaper, or just keep holding, guys. I mean, nothing's looking that bearish on this right now, anyways. So I'm still bullish on everything. Like I said, I'm bullish on everything until I'm not, guys. So if something dramatically changes, I'll give you guys an update, and make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. It's here's my Twitter account. It's Moondog Trading with the number 1. I'll put the link in the description. Also, this is TradingView. Look at Matic. This is TradingView. This is all free. I'll put a link in the description for TradingView. In TradingView, you get 3 free stocks. Also, you get I'm sorry, not 3 free stocks. What am I talking about? 3 free indicators. I need to sleep, guys. Someone said something. I need to sleep. I do need to sleep. That's for sure. I'm tired. I got to go to bed here soon. But I wanted to get this video out to you guys. But yeah, you get 3 free indicators if you use TradingView, and it is free. But if you do decide to pay, you don't want to deal with the pop-ups, and you want more indicators, then there will be a $30 discount in the link for you guys. Listen, guys, much love. Let's see if these things can break out higher. If it breaks my zone, then yeah, I would be looking for the $4,000 area. Okay, it's beautiful. It's a beautiful thing here. So listen, much love to you guys. I really appreciate you guys watching my channel. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit the bell, hit the all, so you guys don't miss any of my updated videos, please. Because if you do, I don't want people coming back and say, well, you didn't say that. And it's because sometimes they will shadow ban my video, so you won't see my video even though I post it. That's why it's very important to subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the all, so you don't miss my videos, because I don't want you guys not seeing my video that I post because they are shadow banned. It's called a shadow ban. That's what YouTube can do. So I don't want you guys missing it and saying, well, you never said this. And then I got to pull up a video saying, yeah, I did say it, or whatever the case, or Twitter, or whatever the case may be. Because I don't want you guys missing any of this moves. I want you guys to be the bullies on the block here. I don't want you guys getting bullied, okay? I don't want you guys losing your money, getting bullied out of your money by the bigger wigs. I want you guys to be doing the bullying and taking the money. That's the name of the game. I know it's a ruthless game. You're taking people's money when you take profits, but that is the name of this game, guys. Listen, much love to you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. Make sure you guys sub. I love all of you. Let's keep making money. Everything's still looking bullish to me until it's not. But right now, I see no reason to panic, or no reason to be in a any kind of panic levels, or anything like that. I think this is still looking really good to me. So listen, much love to you guys. and peace out.